Hi everyone, this is Valerie and one more video about the importance of metrics. You know very well that I love metrics and I love the analytics. So I'm sure you have watched, for example, this video about the main metrics of a SaaS business, or probably you have watched this video about one more important metric, which is customer acquisition cost. Sorry, not here? Here, yeah, it's here. All right, well, one more metric which is hugely important for any business is lifetime value. It is important for both e-commerce and SaaS business. Let's take an example of Coca-Cola. Well, meet Steve. He's a fan of Coca-Cola. Not only the company, but also the drink itself. So every evening he grabs a can of Coke from his fridge and enjoys the flavor. Let's imagine a can of Coke is $1 and Steve gets a can of Coke every evening, which is $7 per week. And if we take it a month and then a year, and then Steve suddenly stops drinking Coke and turns to other drink, water, well, the number that we get is $365 is actually the lifetime value Coca-Cola got from Steve. Is it a benchmark? Of course not. There is some calculation that every company does to know the lifetime value from a particular customer. Well, indeed, the higher the lifetime value, the better business is doing. And this is actually applicable for e-commerce and also for SaaS business. Anyways, it is important for you to track the lifetime value because you are going to predict the revenue and you're going to predict how many customers you need to attract in order so that your business can blossom. I'm sorry, I misinformed you. Steve started drinking whiskey, not Coke. Well, lifetime value is not only about the broadcast, it is also about planning. What you're going to do to get an even higher lifetime value. What you're going to do to bring more customers with the same lifetime value. And actually, speaking about bringing new customers, you can track what type of customers bring you the highest LTV. So you can focus on them on your ads, for example, or you can immediately put this category of customers into the high touch sales. So lifetime value gives you plenty of food for thought for improving the profit of your business. And now it's time to calculate it. So to calculate the lifetime value, you're going to get the sum of money you get from a particular customer through a certain period of time, and then you're going to multiply it by the average customer lifespan. Okay, let's calculate the lifetime value of a Spotify user, for example. So there is an article on Medium and it says that the lifetime value of a Spotify user is $31. Not bad. You can actually find the information regarding the number of Spotify users and just simply multiply it by the LTV, and that's how you can approximately see the company revenue. When it comes to e-commerce, well, the example was with Steve, who was a fan of Coke, and now he's fond of whiskey, and we can simply calculate how many bottles of whiskey he drinks over, let's hope, a year, and then you're going just to multiply it by the cost of whiskey, and let's hope that this interest is going to take only a year for Steve. Well, that is the lifetime value for a whiskey company and the example of Steve. So again, lifetime value gives you plenty of opportunities to play with your revenue. So you are going to build really big number of hypotheses how you're going to raise your revenue, and you're going to take into account LTV of your customers or even different segments of your customers. Well, of course, there are plenty of ways how you can improve lifetime value, and let me know in comments if you need the next video how you can actually get this number even bigger. See you in the next video.